Avengers Assemble. Ooh, what's going on, my nerdy friends? How's you getting on today? Nerdy Newfie here, and today we are opening something that I've waited for quite a long time. During Christmas, I finally ordered myself a Captain America shield. I got this one from Amazon. It is a replica that was made in China. So today, we're gonna check out and see if this Captain America shield replica that we ordered measures up to some of the more expensive ones that you can purchase online through Hasbro or other companies. So what are we waiting for? Let's do this! Here we go! Nerdy Newfie here. Wow! Stay nerdy. Yeah! Bing! Let's do this! So as I said, I purchased this on Amazon during Christmas. So it took about 2.5 months to get to me. So it's been quite a long wait time for this shield. So hopefully when we get this thing open, it's worth the wait and the price. Normally a Captain America shield, one that's basically a full-size Captain America shield, is going to run you anywhere from $150 to, up to $500 and $600 for the real metal ones. This one here is made out of ABS, so it's like a hard plastic. I paid $102 shipped. So basically $100 for this shield. I'm hoping it's definitely worth that. There was a lot of good reviews on it on Amazon. So let's open this up and see, was it worth it? So I thought that they might have put this in a box, but I guess not. So hopefully we don't damage anything trying to open this thing.
One hour later.
Okay. All right, so seems like it's pretty well protected.
No! God, please, no!
All right, so far so good. Pull this off. Okay, so let's take it out of the plastic and check it out. More tape. So far so good. Ooh. Wow. Okay, so first impressions, this looks pretty sweet. So on the back here, we have, it's like probably some kind of fake leather. For the arm straps, let's get a close-up view here. When you go really close, you can see like the kind of like the little bit of grooves in the plastic there. But when you bring it back, I mean, it looks great. This looks really good. Now, it is plastic, right? I mean, the paint job looks good. There's no real blemishes or anything like that. I'm impressed with the leather straps on the back. So you put your, let's try this bad boy out. So as you can see, you strap her in there. I'm a little bit, but I'm thoroughly impressed with this. So if you're interested, I will leave the link to the shield from Amazon in the description down below. If you're looking for a Captain America shield that's gonna look like the real thing in a movie, and you don't want to spend a ton of money, I would definitely suggest going with something like this. 22.5 inches around. So it's basically a full-size replica. ABS plastic and like a faux leather strap. The back doesn't have any kind of paint or anything on it. It is a plastic, but when I put this on my wall, I mean, you would never tell the difference. This is a really well-made Captain America shield. I would definitely give this a thumbs up. Anyways, guys, that is going to be it for today's video. If you liked the video, make sure to smash the like button. It helps out a lot. If you really like the video, then click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and you will be notified every time we release a new video. This has been the unboxing of the Captain America replica shield. As always, thanks for watching, stay nerdy, and have a great day.